Ever noticed more hair collecting in the shower drain? Maybe your go-to hairstyle isn't quite landing the way it used to, or you're finding yourself dodging photos because something just feels different. You are not alone. I've been there myself. Hair loss affects tens of millions of men, and it often starts earlier than you think. In this HIMS hair loss review, we'll break down why it happens, the most common types of hair loss in men, and how HIMS offers a convenient, doctor-backed hair loss treatment for men, all from the comfort of your own home. If you're ready to take action, HIMS makes it easy. They connect you with licensed medical providers, create a personalized hair loss treatment plan just for you, and ship it directly to your door, all discreetly and without stepping into a clinic. So remember, if you'd like to try and regrow your hair in as few as 3 to 6 months, give HIMS a try. Just click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to get started. Hair loss in men is more common than most people think, and it's rarely due just to one thing. For most, the main cause is male pattern baldness, and it's largely genetic. If hair loss runs in your family, chances are you might experience it too. It's tied to a hormone called DHT, or dihydrotestosterone, which slowly shrinks your hair follicles. As those follicles shrink, the hair they produce gets thinner, weaker, and eventually just stops growing altogether. But because this happens gradually, a lot of guys don't notice until they've already lost a significant amount. That said, other factors can make things worse. Stress, whether physical or emotional, can trigger temporary shedding. A poor diet or lack of nutrients like iron and biotin can weaken your hair. Medical conditions, medications, even rapid weight changes can all play a role. And of course, aging naturally slows down the hair growth cycle. In most cases, it's a combination of these things, but male pattern baldness is still the #1 culprit. That's why understanding what's really going on is so important. Whether you're trying to slow down thinning or aiming for receding hairline regrowth, the earlier you take action, the better your chances. So now that you understand what causes hair loss, let's talk about what you can actually do about it and how HIMS for hair loss makes that process easier than ever. HIMS is a telehealth platform designed for men. It connects you with licensed healthcare providers who specialize in treating conditions like male pattern baldness. Now, everything happens online, so no awkward waiting rooms and no needing to book an appointment with a dermatologist months in advance. It starts with a quick online questionnaire where you'll answer a few simple questions about your hair, your health history, and any symptoms you've noticed. Based on your answers, a licensed medical provider in your state will review your profile and recommend a treatment plan tailored to your needs. If treatment is appropriate, that might include FDA-approved options like finasteride, minoxidil, or even a combination treatment. And here's the best part. It's shipped directly to your door in discreet packaging. You're not on your own either. HIMS offers ongoing support, so you can message your provider anytime with questions, request adjustments, or get advice as your treatment progresses. If you're curious about getting started, there's a link in the description below, or you can scan the QR code to begin your consultation today. When it comes to treating hair loss, HIMS doesn't just offer one-size-fits-all solutions. Their treatment options are personalized to match your specific pattern, whether it's thinning at the hairline, the crown, or both. One of the most widely used options is finasteride, a prescription tablet that helps slow down or even stop further hair loss. It works by lowering DHT, the hormone that causes hair follicles to shrink. Then there's minoxidil, which comes as a topical foam or serum. It helps improve blood flow to the scalp and support regrowth in thinning areas. This is especially useful if you're hoping to rebuild density in spots that are already looking a little spottier. And for guys who want maximum simplicity, there's HIMS the RX Hair Loss Spray, a compounded formula that can combine finasteride and minoxidil in one easy topical treatment. It's great for anyone who wants functional ingredients without adding pills to their day. These treatments come in various forms, from pills and chewables to sprays and serums and shampoos, and every plan is tailored by a licensed provider, shipped directly to your door, and supported with ongoing care. Hair loss is a normal part of life for a lot of men, me included. but that doesn't mean you have to just live with it. Whether you're ready to start a treatment plan or just want to learn more, taking that first step can make a real difference. There are real science-backed solutions out there, and HIMS is by far one of the easiest and most unique ways to begin your hair regrowth journey. Tap the link in the description or scan the QR code, and if you found this helpful, check out more health and hair-related content right here on the Health News channel. My name is Steven, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.